All right, YouTube peeps, we're on Tuesday, Q21. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Circle the odd, underline the even. Evens is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay, rounding 184 to the nearest 10. Let's get a fresh slice. Should be doing all your work on the back of the paper. It should be all written up like Pasafumes. Got stuff all over the place. Oops, what happened? Okay. 184 rounded to the nearest 10. We put a box around the place value we're rounding to. Underline the digit to the right. If it's 5 or higher, you round up. 4 or lower, you round down. Uh-oh, it's a 4. So that means you round down to the nearest 10. Okay, let's see here. Next one, we'll do 937 to the nearest 100. You put a box around the number you're rounding to. Underline the digit to the right. 4 or lower, you round down to the nearest 100. 5 or higher, you round up to the nearest 100. It's a 3, so we round down to the nearest 100. $180, $900. I don't do all of them just because. Okay, here we go. The pencil store sold 475 pencils on Monday and 388 pencils on Tuesday. How many pencils did they sell altogether? Okay, circle the numbers. Put a box around the question. Underline the words that help us with the operation. How many? Like we've said before, that doesn't really help us. Oh, altogether does. How many altogether? That sounds like an addition problem. So let's do 475, 388. Ooh, break apart strategy. Not a lot of room here to work with. Let me zoom in. 8 plus 5, 13. 8 plus 7, 15. See, that's why it's so important that we're working on our addition facts. 8 plus 7, 15. You should be able to just see that and know that it's a 15 after a while. It should take you under 3 seconds. 4 plus 3, 7. Bring down the zeros. Oh, so we might not be able to add all 3 of those together. So we use the associative property. Associative property is when you use the parentheses. Okay, 150 plus 13 is 163. 700 plus 163 is 863. Break apart strategy, Mr. Pasafume's favorite. Okay, find the difference. 723, 361. 723. See how I'm writing it, breaking it apart by its place value. 361. 361. Oh, I can take away 1 from 3. I got $2 left. I can't take away $60 from somebody that only has 20 bucks. They got to look to their rich neighbor, and they're going to borrow 100 buckies. See how I put the arrow? Move the $100 over. Nice and clear. Don't forget about that 20 though, right? So this is 12 minus 6. 120 minus 60. 6 minus 3. And then you just bring down the zeros. 362. Break apart strategy. Okay, let's see. Draw an array for 3 groups of 5 or 5 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 groups of 3. Let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an array. It should be like soldiers marching in the military, all nice together in rows. Probably be a question like this on the test. Actually, I'm not sure. Lots of word problems, though. Lots of word problems on the test. Like I mentioned this morning, too, lots of problems. I think there were 2 of them with money. So you had the Mary. They have Mary twice. This question and this question, you're going to want to be able to know. You need to be able to add and subtract money. All right, in 3 days, Samuel taught, if you see 33 and 3, if you know your multiplication facts, you're probably already thinking 11. Should I just assume it's 11, though, or keep reading? Keep reading. In 3 days, Samuel talked 33 minutes on his cell phone. If you use the same amount of minutes each day, how many minutes did he use in 1 day? Okay? You make 3 circles. Each circle is a day. And you're just going to pass out the 33 minutes amongst the 3 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. How many minutes did he use each day? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think. Oh, maybe I passed out 30. I was supposed to pass out 33. That's probably why. I think I messed up. Okay, so 31, 32, 33. All right, so how many each day? 11. I think I did that right. The better way to do it, though, would be to memorize your multiplication facts. 33 minutes shared among 3 days is 11. 11 times 3 equals 33. The fact family, right? Got to memorize your multiplication facts. Division is the inverse of multiplication. 1 times 11, 8 times 11, 12 times 11, 7 times 11, 10, 5, 3. Not sure why I'm talking like this. 3 times 11. Oh, okay, now we got to break out our multiplication chart. You see 5 and 11, Maria? 5 and 11. Come over here. Got to put it on 5. What number am I looking for? 55. Come down. I see it. You can put your finger over it. It's underneath the pen. Come across. 10. Oh, I take that. What am I doing today? 55. I stopped at 50. You go to 55. Come across. 11. N equals 11. When you see letters like this, those are called variables. Variables. Okay. Uh-oh. Maria, you see the 4 and the 6? Yeah. Okay. So now you come over here. You got the 4 and the 6. I'll put my pen on the 6. You put your finger on the 4. Look underneath the pen. 24. Zoom in. See how I did that? I used my multiplication chart that everybody has at home. Hopefully that helps you with your homework Q21 Tuesday.